Good morning. This is take 3 of my chemistry distance learning video. We're having some technical difficulties. Please be patient as we work through those. For starters, I know that Schoology is crashing. And then for me, my video recording thing is also crashing. So my philosophy for chemistry and how this is going to look for the rest of the year is we're going to take the ALC life motto, and basically everybody in the class is in a different spot. We've kind of got a big class and literally everybody's in a different spot. We have one student that started 2 days before the shutdown, and we have other students that were waiting for me to post assignments. So that's a huge range of students to accommodate for. My ALC life teaching strategy is exactly the same as it always has been. I will teach you individually at your level. However, there's a little bit of a disclaimer there with making 11 or 12 separate videos for each student. That's going to take me a little bit of time. So if you don't understand something, you might have to wait until the evening when I post videos. I'll try to do my best to keep up with you guys, but just know that it might take me a little bit longer. I am not going to show this video because it did eat up my storage space, but I will include a link to the video and you guys can watch it on your own. I just wanted to review some safety rules with you. Obviously, we're taking chemistry because it's the fun science. It's the stuff where we get to blow stuff up. But obviously, it's a school, so we want to make sure that you're being safe. So just double check with me before you try any home chemistry, just to make sure that there's no chance of a hazardous material being released. If something has the potential for, and I quote, a giant freaking explosion, go outside. Don't try to do it in your kitchen. Just because it's called kitchen chemistry doesn't mean you need to do it in your kitchen. So I will, again, share a link with this video on my YouTube channel, and then you guys can watch it on your own. So today, all we need for you to do is to log in to your assignments, get started, ask some questions. And as you're going through the assignments, if you think of any fun kitchen chemistry that you would like to try, go ahead and start emailing me some of those requests, and maybe we can make it a little bit more interesting. Hopefully this third take of the video saves, and I will see you tomorrow.